Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to back up WhatsApp messages to Google Drive. I'll show you how to easily back up all of your WhatsApp chats and messages to your Google Drive. Go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app and tap on this three dot at the top right and tap on settings. Tap on chats and here tap on chat backup. And now, first of all, here we have to add our Google or Gmail account. So as you can see, I've already added my Google account. Now I will show you using another account. So tap on Google account and I'm selecting add account. Verifying my pattern or fingerprint. And now all you have to need right here your Gmail ID and tap on next, and right here your account password, and all you have to need just sign into your Google account here. Tap on I agree. And here scroll down and tap on allow. Once your Google account added, now tap on frequency. And here, if you want to automatically back up your WhatsApp chats to your Google Drive, you can select daily, weekly or monthly frequency. And to back up all of your chats including videos, just enable this option. And now to back up your chats to your Google Drive, just tap on backup. And here we can see preparing Google storage backup. My chats are uploading on my Google Drive. It may take some time to upload your backup to Google Drive, and that's it. As you can see, successfully back up my chats to my Google Drive. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.